Bowles is an American professional football coach and former player who is the head coach of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers of the National Football League. He played 8 seasons in the NFL as a safety, primarily with the Washington Redskins, and was a member of the team that won Super Bowl XXII. His freshman year in 1982 was under Hall of Fame coach Wayne Hardin, and his last 3 years were under coach Bruce Arians, for whom Bowles would be an assistant coach in the NFL decades later, when Arians was the head coach of the Arizona Cardinals and then the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. On January 8, 2019, Bowles was hired as the defensive coordinator of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, rejoining Bruce Arians as a member of his staff after Arians was hired as the team's head coach. In the 2024 season, the Buccaneers finished the season atop the NFC South for the fourth consecutive year with a 10-7 record. However, they lost to the Washington Commanders 23-20 in the wildcard round. On March 30, 2022, Bowles was named the head coach of the Buccaneers on a 5-year deal after Bruce Arians shifted to a senior football consultant role. In Bowles' first year as head coach, the Buccaneers finished atop the NFC South with an 8-9 record. However, they lost to the Dallas Cowboys 31-14 in the wildcard round. Following the 2022 season, starting quarterback Tom Brady announced his retirement, and the Buccaneers signed Baker Mayfield as a result. The Buccaneers finished the 2023 season atop the NFC South for the third consecutive year with a 9-8 record. They defeated the Philadelphia Eagles 32-9 in the wildcard round but lost to the Detroit Lions 31-23 on the road in the divisional round. Bowles was hired by the Miami Dolphins as the team's secondary coach and assistant head coach on January 23, 2008. After nearly 4 seasons as the secondary coach and assistant head coach, he was named the interim head coach on December 12, 2011. Following the firing of head coach Tony Soprano on January 31, 2015, Bowles was voted Associated Press AP's Assistant Coach of the Year of his efforts in the 2014 season. Bowles received 22 of the 50 media numbers votes, winning the inaugural award. On January 14, 2015, the New York Jets named Bowles their new head coach and signed him to a 4-year deal. On December 29, 2017, the Jets announced that Bowles had been retained for the 2018 season and that he signed an extension through 2020. However, Bowles was fired at the end of the 2018 season after the Jets finished the year with a 4-12 record.